Anyone that knows me knows that I have a heart for young people. And she did a story of is she 15?
Mm-hmm. She's 15 years old. Kenyatta Parker.
Her mom moved her from the West Side to Bolingbrook. She sent a video of her dancing, not nude, but just like her belly out, right?
Mm-hmm.
And they began to spread the video throughout her school and the community. And the kids start hitting her on Facebook, calling her out of her name, bullying her, calling her a bust down, a whore, and so forth and so forth. And she couldn't take the pressure of the bullying from Facebook to Twitter to cell phone. When she walked the halls at school, they called her dark. They just let her have it.
Bullying is really serious. That thing is really serious.
She goes in the garage and she wraps a cord around her neck 7 times and hangs herself. And her mother comes in the garage and asks her, "What are you doing standing in this garage?" Thinking that she's just standing there. She didn't realize that she had hung herself. And the mother panicked, ran and got a knife, and cut her daughter down, and her body fell on her with her eyes wide open. That is too much. And then the girl leaves a 12-page suicide note. It admits that she was molested when she was younger, when she was 7 years old, and this is all just too much. And she takes her life.
Wonder, did her mother have any idea that she was this disturbed?
And that is our question.
Did she have any idea?
Parents, are you aware when your kids are going through, or do they keep it from you? Because some kids just don't talk.
They do not. And you have to.
And if you have a kid in your house that don't talk, do your teenager talk to you? Are you aware, or do you have no idea what's going on?
How do you get them to open up? How do you get them to do that?
312-591-3878. Parents that have teenagers, we really want to talk to you. Do you know what's going on? 1390.
It's the John Hanna Morning Show.
Join the Tenors Cook